Dates. I just want to jump on here and talk about a couple of my favorite stocks and just talk about and see what you guys think about what they're saying about Palantir stock and SoFi coming up on earnings, which we have Monday before the bell. But let's talk first about Palantir. There's so much stuff here with Palantir. Um, it's nuts. You have this one down here saying Palantir stock dropped 47% after February 3rd. You have this one down here saying, can it fall below $40 in 2025? You have, let's see, this one. Then you have the one analyst who says it can hit 90, which I'm more with this guy than the stock falling $40. Guys, Palantir, let me get to it real quick. I thought I was on the screen. Palantir, it's up. It's still up, year over year, 300% or close to at least. But so there's going to be a pullback. But the thing is, let me get to. So, oops. Okay, so let's do the 6-month chart, and we'll do 1-day candles, and we'll pull this out. And as you guys can see, it has been on a tear for 6 months. I mean, it's been on an absolute tear. It's a little too much. So, I'll get it here. As you guys can see, September we were sitting at $14.61. November, $17. Then we got March of 24, $26. You got July, you got $27. Then all of a sudden, you got September, $34. November, $44. December, $66. January, we had the high of 84. You had a pullback here to $64, and now it's back up to $78.98. Going into earnings, which is it's in sometime in early February. This stock is a scary one to carry into earnings, I feel. I do love this stock. I do think it can pull back a little bit. I think we could see the 60s again. I don't think we're going to see the 50s or $40 level. I think this stock, there's too much attention on it, with it being added to the index too as well. It's going to be in more people's going to be buying it. And it's a great company. AI is not going anywhere, and they've made deals with some of the biggest companies. So Palantir is a plus stock. But going into earnings, I am not sure if it's going to go up or down. I mean, I think we kind of go up in earnings, see maybe $80, $82, and then after earnings, maybe we could see a drop, whether we have good earnings or not. I bought a couple calls, but the more I think about it, I'm not sure if I want to carry those into earnings. And another one, guys, is SoFi. SoFi, speaking of earnings, we have earnings before the bell on Monday, and SoFi, this is another one that's just been on a tear here recently. Back in October of 24, it was sitting at $8. It's now sitting at $18, pretty much $17.92. But there is some good things like let's see. There was a good article down here. All right. This says says the company is expected to post quarterly earnings of 4 cents per share in its upcoming report, which represents a year-over-year change of 100%. Revenues are expected to be $664.04 million, up almost 12% from the year-ago quarter. This is good news, obviously, for SoFi, and right now, on the Zacks page, they have it as a #1 strong buy, and then it's just. I think we're going to have a solid earnings with SoFi, and on SoFi options, I have an option pulled up here that I really like. This is just my opinion, no financial advice, but for $7.95 you can get call option at a $12 strike price. So the break-even price would be $19.90 with the expiration date of January 16, 2026. I think I am going to wait till we see what happens on Monday after earnings, see if we shoot up or maybe drop back down. And then I think I am going to buy that call because first off, I have a couple covered puts for $20 strike price, and I think those will be good. And I think this could pay really good. Down here the delta is 0.83, which is good. Anything over, I try to take anything over 0.7. So that just means that it's basically a pretty safe. You're not going to have a huge fluctuation. And then the Vega is 0.04, the Gamma is 0.0199. So all that's good. So that I really like that call right there. Now it would be $795. But, after earnings tomorrow, sometimes it shoots up and then falls back down. Maybe you could get it for a little bit cheaper. But I just wanted to jump on here and make a video because I am excited about SoFi earnings. And I love Palantir, but I'm not quite so sure what they're going to do going into earnings. I'd like to hear your guys' opinion on what you think. What do you think is going to happen with Palantir earnings coming up? Do you think the price is going to jump up over 80, or do you think it's going to fall to 60? And it's also with SoFi before the bell. It's we got the Chiefs game tomorrow, so I'm pumped for that. And then the market starts at 8 o'clock tomorrow night, and Monday morning we're going to have SoFi earnings before the bell, so we should see some action pre-market on that. And let me know what you think, what your thoughts are on SoFi earnings as well. Do you think they're going to go up? Do you think they're going to go down? Do you like this call play right here? Because I really do. I think that could be a three banger, three times your money right there. I think I really like that play, but I it's gonna see what they're gonna do, and then I might buy it Monday. I might just jump on here and buy it and kind of take it for a ride, and I'll just keep you guys posted. But that's pretty much it. I just wanted to jump on here, like and subscribe to the channel if you want to. I'm supposed to say that up front. Today is January 25th. I'm up to 490 subscribers, so almost 500. Thank you guys so much. I need to get some watch hours, though. My watch hours are down. So, well, they're actually up, but I got to have 3,000 to start making any moolah on this YouTube thing. But I don't know, getting close. So I definitely appreciate all the support from all you guys, and like and comment, share. Definitely let me know what you think about SoFi earnings and Palantir earnings and how you think they're going to turn out. That would be fantastic. Just kind of give me some insight as well. So hope you guys do good. We're going to watch that. I'm going to make a video on that Chiefs game, to my prediction. I'm going to do that tomorrow, and then we're back to the market on Monday. So you guys take care, and I will talk to you then. Bye-bye.